in this particular species, the gene A also present. In this particular species, gene A also present, because these two new species arises as a result of speciation from this particular species. So we can say there is the process of speciation occurs, and as a result of speciation, the species X gives the two new species like the species Y and species Z. In both the species, the gene A present. Now suppose after the speciation, after the certain time, here the divergence starts. And divergence starts as a result of the mutations or any other genetic changes. Now suppose as a result of the divergence, this particular gene A is going to change into the A prime. And as a result of the divergence, this particular gene is going to change into the A double prime, like this. Now we can say these two genes are the homologous because they have the common origin, they have the common ancestor. These two are the homologous genes. They will show the homology. They are very much related. But how these related genes arises? These related genes arises as a result of speciation and divergence. So if they arises as a result of speciation and divergence, then it is known as the orthologous. If the homologous gene arises as a result of the speciation and divergence, then it is termed as orthologous. And if the homologous gene arises as a result of duplication and divergence, then parallel. For example, in the case of the human, the myoglobin forming gene and hemoglobin forming gene. In the case of the human, myoglobin forming gene and hemoglobin forming gene are the example of paralogous or orthologous? Paralogous. In the case of the mice hemoglobin gene, or in the case of the rat hemoglobin gene, it is an example of paralogous or orthologous? Rat and mice is the two different species, and homologous genes present in the two different species are orthologous, and homologous genes present in a single species, they are the paralogous. For example, in our cases, the hemoglobin forming, alpha globin forming gene and beta globin forming gene that present in our cases, it is an example of paralogous because it arises as a result of duplication and divergence. And in the case of the mice, in the case of the rat, the alpha globin gene and beta globin gene are considered orthologous because that arises as a result of duplication, speciation and divergence.